How to embed a website to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, this is going to be for the default Wix editor. This is not going to be for Wix Studio. So, to get started, all you need to do really is just go ahead and open up your site by clicking on the top right here where you will find Edit Site. This is just going to open up our Wix website editor. And then we can just go in and start with the steps in order to embed another site to this one. So let's just wait for it and show you what you need to do next. Okay, so once your site loads up, in my case, I'm actually going to go ahead and create a new page for that site, which is the one that I'm going to embed. So just go to Pages and Menu, and then I'm just going to go ahead and create a new page. So add new page. Which is going to be a blank page, obviously. And it's going to be a lot better if you actually remove the menu items, the header and footer, because, it's actually going to be solely for our new site or the one that we want to embed. So here we can just go ahead and call it something like test site and click on done. To remove the header and footer, if you want to do that, you can just go ahead and click on Pages and Menu. Click on the name. Just locate the name of the new page that we created. Click on the three dots right next to it. Click on Settings, and then you should find from the Layout section here, no header and footer. So just go and select that. And now we shouldn't really have that anymore. And now the last step before we get our actual site is go to Add Elements, go to Embed Code, and then you should find from the popular embeds section, embed a site, which is display an external website in a window on your site. So this is the one that we want. So just go ahead and click on that. And once this opens up, basically we want to add now the URL to our other site in order to embed it here. So it's self-explanatory. We just really need to go to our other site and embed it over here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now here's the thing. I've never actually tried to do it with Google Sites, so I'm just going to go ahead and test it out. But generally speaking, all you need to really is just get a link from your other site and paste it in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the link for my Google site here. Copy it, go back here, and go to the website address, which is HTTPS only. Paste it in here and go ahead and click on apply. And let's see it change here. Let's do update here just for a sec. Let's wait for it. Let's just do Google Sites. If this does not work, perhaps Google Sites does not really work with this feature. If not, I may need to try a different site that I have. Okay, so Google Sites did not really work. So instead, I just got my very own site, which is the Wix website, and tried it with this one, and it actually worked. So what you need to do next is just go ahead and click on it, click on Stretch, and stretch to full width. This is going to make it obviously the entire screen width-wise, obviously. And then you just want to drag this up, and then just click over here and drag it down so that it is going to cover the entire screen. I know it is the same site within the same site, but if you have a different site, it's going to also work. It's not going to matter really, but apparently not every single site works, because I tried it with Google Sites in front of you and it did not work. So perhaps work obviously different Wix sites are going to work, and maybe Squarespace. I'm not really sure with which sites exactly are going to work or not. You may need to try it first and then see whether it's actually going to show for you or not. But this is pretty much all you need to do in order for this to work. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.